Hi, I'm Rika, founder of Autos, a plant-based snack bar company. All of our products are free from dairy, white sugar, and animal-based products. But most importantly, they're free from preservatives, additives, and any harmful ingredients to the body, making them your actual guilt-free treat inside out. What is your definition of healthy snacks? Ironic to its marketing claims of most healthy snack bars in Japan, they're filled with white sugar, margarine, and even carcinogenic artificial sweeteners. However, they define themselves healthy by adding in tiny portions of nutrients, even if the effects of unhealthy ingredients outweigh themselves by far. Whereas we truly believe that any healthy snack should be consisted of clean products only. And even though these current healthy snack bars are managing to sell in the healthy snack category till today, statistics tell us that the demand to meet consumers' clean eating choice is increasing every year. The global health and wellness food market projected increase to $11 trillion by year 2027. In Japan, healthfulness was the number one determining factor this year when purchasing food, saying that the health benefits were more important than price or convenience. Gen Z and millennials evidently have the highest level of health consciousness among consumers because they know that health is not an expense, but the most important investment they can make to themselves. And this is why we need to produce snacks that cater to these latest and upcoming needs. Anytime you walk in the healthy snack aisle, you should be able to pick whatever you want and never ever have to ask if it's actually healthy or not. We believe the way to get there is going to require these 4 things. 1. No unhealthy ingredient of any kind should be in the snack. 2. To always choose high recipe ingredients over recipe shortcuts. 3. They have to be tasty in the snacking standard, not just the healthy snack standard. And 4, they have to fit into everyone's lifestyle regardless of your religion or diet restrictions. We introduce you to Autos, a dream brand where customers know that with us, they never need to check the food labels before purchasing. Our super natural tasty indulgent bars are all plant-based and additive-free, so health-conscious and earth-conscious eaters know that they can trust us with any of our products and never ever have to check the food labels. We create unique products with unexpected flavor combinations using quality ingredients while trying to fuse some authentic Japanese flavors. We will expand our types that cater to various needs such as protein bars, gluten-free options, keto-friendly, nut-friendly, and a lot more. We have been consistently speaking with a group of health-conscious 18 to 35-year-olds as well as buyers from main convenience store branches in Japan to shape our products to meet the demands of our target demographics and wholesale buyers. We aim to launch this month through crowdfunding, distribute to Japanese convenience stores and supermarkets next year, and scale globally as the delicious, guilt-free, made-in-Japan snack bars to overseas by year 2026. We hope to indulge you mentally and physically with our cleanest and tastiest snack bars ever. Thank you.